Tudor has been on a roll lately, modernizing its lineup while staying true to its tool watch roots. But among all the hits we've seen in recent years, one release from 2024 still stands out as Tudor's most versatile, most wearable, and arguably most complete modern watch, the Tudor Black Bay 58 GMT. This isn't just another addition to the Black Bay line. It's the perfect blend of vintage proportions, travel functionality, and Tudor's newfound mastery in movement design. Let's break down why the BB58 GMT might just be Tudor's best watch yet. Tudor didn't always have a deep GMT history. For decades, the brand focused on its dive watches, often shadowing Rolex's Submariner. But in 2012, the Black Bay reintroduced Tudor to the spotlight, giving it its own identity: rugged, heritage-inspired, and refreshingly affordable. Then came the Black Bay GMT in 2018, loved for its Pepsi bezel and true GMT movement, but a bit too thick for many wrists. Fast forward 6 years, and Tudor finally gave collectors what they'd been begging for, the Black Bay 58 GMT, pairing the slim 39mm BB58 case with a refined new in-house GMT caliber. The proportions are spot on. At 39mm wide and 12.8mm thick, it wears beautifully, compact, balanced, and elegant. The case retains the snowflake hands and classic domed sapphire crystal, while the black and burgundy aluminum bezel adds a dash of warmth and vintage charm. And that gilt detailing on the hands, text, and markers gives the watch an understated luxury that makes it as much at home with the blazer as it is on a hiking trail. The bracelet, now featuring Tudor's excellent T-fit clasp, makes daily wear effortless. And if faux rivets aren't your thing, there's a rubber strap option that keeps the look sporty. Inside ticks the MT5450U, Tudor's new Master Chronometer certified GMT movement, accurate, anti-magnetic, and boasting a 60-hour power reserve. It's a true flyer GMT, meaning you can independently adjust the local hour hand when traveling, a feature serious travelers appreciate. And impressively, Tudor managed to fit all of that inside the slimmer case profile. That's no small feat. The Tudor Black Bay 58 GMT isn't just a travel watch. It's a watch that takes Tudor everywhere.